All right, guys, so today I want to share with you some meal prepping tricks that may help you whether you're commuting or in between flights, getting to the hotel, how to pack it, and what do I use. In 2.5 years that I have been prepping my food in airlines, I've been in the airlines for 2.5 years, food has not gone bad. And I just haven't skipped out on meal prepping because it's just that much more convenient. You know, you can just have food whenever you want. You don't have to waste time walking around the airport figuring out what to eat. Then you got to worry about what's healthy and what's not. And then also you save a ton of money. So it's really a no-brainer on why you should just prep your own meals, and you don't have to go all crazy. See, I prep every single meal for 4 days for me. Now, if you don't want to do that, or that might be too much for your bag, it might be too heavy, maybe only pack your dinners, or maybe only pack your snacks. That way you have to worry half the time and stress out half the time of picking what's good to eat, what's healthy, and having to walk around the airport. Save time, save money, and save energy. So I use the eBags cooler, medium size, and I pack 4 days worth of stuff in here. Now you can pack more days depending on what you use to pack. Some people like to use Ziploc bags and pack their food. Some people like to use the containers how I use the containers. So it just really depending on how much space can you save, how much more food you can pack. I use containers instead of Ziploc bags. The pro about Ziploc bags is that you save so much space by just airtight or air sealing the food in here. You close it all up and you save a whole lot more space than a glass container. Plus, it's a whole lot lighter. That is awesome. But me, I'm all about efficiency. I don't have time to take the food out of this Ziploc bag, put it in a container to go heat it up, come back, and then I only have like 5 minutes to pre-flight. Now, I prefer to use glass container over plastic containers because glass can retain heat and can retain cold a whole lot longer than plastic can. One of the downsides about glass containers is that they weigh a lot, especially once you stack them all up with food. But it eliminates me having to carry around ice packs. Because these are all air sealed tight and they're all together and they're all cold. Glass, remember, retains cold a whole lot longer than plastic can. So everything all bundled up together, being nice and cold, and you don't open up your bag as much, then your food is gonna stay nice and cold for, I talk about hours. Sometimes I have 12-hour days and I come back to the hotel, I open that up and you can still feel that that the glass is still cool and the food is good. Now let's say I'm in between flights. I wanna take out one of these glass containers out. I go and I heat it up at the crew room, and let's say I don't wanna eat it right there. I wanna eat it a couple hours later. Guess what? With the glass containers, it's still warm a couple hours later. Cruise flight, I just pop open this lunch bag, pop open my glass container, and I just start eating warm food.